beautiful rainy weekend, another vlog, another drive round the corner. A very warm welcome to my channel Sugarbandi, and my destination today is Malviya Nagar, New Delhi to the Grapi. It has been a year since Grapi established itself in Malviya Nagar. It holds a good rating on Google of 4.8, Zomato 4 and Swiggy 4.6. As I enter this beautiful eating hub, I'm surrounded with cozy, warm vibes. You can see the aesthetics are very well maintained and the interiors are lovely, warm, welcoming. You can also find an amazing staff over there. The entire vibe is all hustling and bustling with the coffee aroma. It seems as if like I'm walking by or just entered a coffee world. Anyways, as you can see, the interiors are beautifully done. The crockery is beautifully arranged. There's a cool warm lighting with coffee beans that you can take home. They also have ample sitting space, which is also on the first floor, and they also provide you with a rooftop or a terrace to enjoy your meals. चलिए अब आपको फर्स्ट फ्लोर का एम्बियंस और सिटिंग एरिया दिखाते हैं। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, जो लाइट्स हैं यहाँ पे, दे आर नॉट वेरी हार्श, दे आर क्वाइट मेलो डाउन, एंड उन्होंने एक कूल टोन येलो कलर का यूज़ किया है, एंड दिस ब्रिंग्स अ लॉट ऑफ कोजी वार्म वाइब्स व्हाइल यू एंजॉय योर मील्स। यहीं से जब आप ऊपर की साइड जाते हैं तो आपको एक टेरेस और रूफटॉप एरिया मिलता है जहाँ पे अपनी कॉफ़ी और अपनी मील्स को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। इसके बाद मैं ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर आ गई थी जहाँ पे आई वाज सपोज्ड टू एंजॉय माय मील्स, एंड यू कैन सी द कॉफ़ी एरिया विच इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड। यहाँ का स्टाफ भी बहुत वेलकमिंग एंड बहुत ही अच्छा और हेल्पफुल है। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, फॉर द कस्टमर्स द मोस्ट रिकमेंडेड डिशेज आर ऑलरेडी देयर ऑन द बोर्ड। I was so thrilled to meet the OG Mr. Gaurav Vasan, who is a famous renowned food blogger जो यहाँ पे आए हुए थे, and I was fortunate enough to meet him. Thank you so much Gaurav sir for your recommendations and your valuable time that you gave us. बस यहाँ पे अब मैं वेट कर रही थी and ambience को enjoy कर रही थी. I was also looking at these beautiful coffee mugs and cup. These coffee mugs with feedbacks and responses on them were used as decor by Grapi. I think that was a very cool idea for interior decor. Focusing on the menu, the first thing that I got was the mango matcha. Oh my god, just look at the colors, guys. The second was the hazelnut crumb. This was hazelnut cold coffee with crumbs on top. And now the tasting time. And I was blown away by the matcha. My god, this was one of the best matchas I've ever had. इसके बाद बारी आई hazelnut crumb को ट्राई करने की. This was equally good, guys. I could not even have a comparison. Both अपनी जगह बहुत ही अच्छे थे. इसके बाद what I got was a chicken keema pide. This is a Turkish flat bread with chicken keema and sunny side up eggs that you can see. This was also so good, people. This was so good, and it was warm, perfectly crispy from the top, soft from inside. सब कुछ इतना अच्छा था इसके बारे में। यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं भाई, एस्थेटिकली मैंने इसको अपने टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आई एडेड लिटिल बिट ऑफ चिली फ्लेक्स एंड ओरेगनो, एंड बस इसको मैंने एंजॉय किया। बहुत ही बढ़िया था, नो सेकेंड डाउट्स अबाउट इट। अभी तक मैंने जो भी ट्राई किया, इनका माचा, द हेज़लनट क्रम्ब, द टर्किश चिकन कीमा पिडे, it was so good. It was absolutely worth trying. Definitely आप इसको विजिट करिए. This was very good. इसके बाद मेरा मन कर रहा था कि हाँ, यहाँ का कुछ फेमस और ट्राई करा जाए. So what I ordered was डब्बे में डब्बा. Yes, this was पाव एंड चिकन कीमा. ये एक अच्छा खासा मील है गाइस. अगर आपको लगता है कि यू नीड समथिंग हैवी टू ईट, डेफिनेटली इसको ऑर्डर करिए. द प्रेजेंटेशन वाज सो गुड. वी वर गिवन अ नाइस सैलेड, चिकन कीमा, सॉफ्ट लाडी पाव, एंड इसको भी मैंने उतने ही प्यार से एंजॉय किया. दिस वाज आल्सो अ ब्रिलियंट प्रिपरेशन बाय द शेफ. So hi, I am at Malviya Nagar at the famous Grappi, and I'm here with Chef Harsh.
Hi.
And he is responsible completely for the amazing dishes at Grappi, which I am definitely recommending to all my audience to come try it out, check it out. So for Harsh, can you bring it a little closer? Let's have a close-up thing. Come here a little closer. Okay, so Harsh, कब से start हुआ है ये सिलसिला? How long it has been you've been there in this industry?
It's been a 1 year now.
Okay.
पूरा 1 साल हो चुका है ग्राफी को स्टार्ट किए हुए, and it was a very beautiful journey.
Okay.
और मेरा first restaurant है as a head chef.
Oh, amazing.
और बहुत लोगों को मतलब मेरा food और यहाँ का ambience बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love it.
Yeah, that I can see. I think ambience बहुत अच्छा है. It's a very cozy ambience that we have over here. And what are the signature dishes, Harsh, that we can try?
So you can try a ghati prawns.
Ghati prawns.
Yeah,
okay.
It's basically a lentil flavored ghati prawns. So and you can try piddik, Turkish flatbread.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And you can also try English breakfast. We serve English breakfast in morning. Yeah.
And what are the timings? If the breakfast has a timing, or it's an all-day breakfast?
No, all day breakfast.
All-day breakfast. Okay. And how does Grappi come into picture when we talk about multi cuisines? Like I can see, I can find some continental, I can find Italian, I can find Turkish, and prawns का भी आपने मुझे बता दिया. तो कैसे ये आइडिया आया, मतलब कि सब कुछ मिला के हम बनाएंगे, कुछ अच्छा क्रिएट करेंगे?
ये एक्चुअली जो आज तक जो भी रिकमेंडेशंस मिले हैं कस्टमर्स के अकॉर्डिंग, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग चलते रहे आगे तक. उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग जर्नी स्टार्ट करके हमने स्टार्टिंग फ्रेंच एंड इटालियन कुजीन से करी थी, एंड देन नाउ वी आर सर्विंग अ मल्टी कुजीन.
Oh, that's very nice. And what are the signature? What are the best sellers over here, Harsh?
Best sellers breakfast and ghati prawns and piddi.
Okay. And what are the beverages? Like I've seen there's a lot
Beverages
of
you can
matcha.
try, matcha, yeah.
Yeah. So
It's,
matcha
very good.
and और क्या beverages में आप recommend?
Beverages में अगर मैं recommend करूँगा, so matcha is my favorite, muskmelon matcha.
Muskmelon.
Muskmelon.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can also try americano. वो प्रॉपर एक फ्लेवर होगा कॉफी का जो आपको बहुत एक हर एक नोट उसके अंदर है फ्लेवर.
That is really nice. And हर्ष अब है कहाँ से वैसे?
मैं प्रॉपर दिल्ली गई.
Proper Delhi. That's nice. Okay. Thank you so much for giving us so much of your time.
So
and this is 7 days open?
Yeah.
7 days open, people. And timings क्या रहेंगे किस तरह?
9 to 12.
9 to 12. So 9 o'clock you can come here. You can also work आराम से. यहाँ पे आप बैठ के खाना वाना खा सकते हैं, पूरा अपना काम भी कर सकते हैं. And there are amazing multi-cuisine dishes that you get to try, and definitely do consider the recommendations of our head chef over here, which is Harsh. He's also from Delhi, and please people give it a try. Do give it a try. Visit Grappi, visit Malviya Nagar, and thank me later. Thank you. Okay, so we have Shri over here, and as soon as I stepped into Grappi, I found a really cozy ambience. A very sweet girl who recommended me everything top notch. शुरू से मैंने श्री से जब बात की, and she was really sweet enough to recommend me all the best sellers out here. And so let's talk to her and find out. So hi Shri.
Hi ma'am, this is Shri.
So she's been working at Grappi and she's really sweet.
So sweet. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so Shri, how has been the journey with Grappi?
It's very nice. Actually, I was not working ever since 1.5 years, so I was alone with home. So somebody told me it's a Grappi, you have to join in here. So before I was working in a bar as a bartender.
As a bartender.
So my brother told me you have to join in coffee shop. It's very nice for the girls. So I joined in the Grappi.
Okay.
Since before 5.5 months I'm working here.
Okay.
They treat me as a very pretty girl. They told me you are a
Just
younger
as a
sister.
family.
Yes, as a family, the owners are very good. They're treating me like a younger daughter, younger sister. So it's very nice for me. It's feel like a home.
Oh, that's
so everybody, the guests are coming, so we are very welcome for us also. You are so good, ma'am. Your interactive is so good. I was so nice. It's feel like a sister.
No, that really feels nice because whenever that is the motto, like wherever we go, see the ground people are the only people who know that what is the best thing to serve to their customers, and how lovingly she approached it. And I asked her that, okay, what is famous? And she told me, ma'am, you can try this. This is the best seller. And you can try this is in the drinks, this is in the Italian section and everything. So since 5 months you're here, Shri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and from where do you belong?
I belong from Nepal, but I'm
From
staying
Nepal.
in Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
yeah, I'm a pretty Nepali girl here. And how has Delhi been treating you?
It's very nice, ma'am. I was born in here. It's my birthplace.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You are also.
So keep serving us, Shri, and I'll recommend this to all my friends, family, relatives, all my friends in Delhi NCR. Do visit Grabby. Talk to Shri,
Yes,
and she'll give
please.
you the best and the best sellers. One of the best recommendations over here. So thank you, Shri, for talking
Thank you
to
so
us.
much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And that's a wrap, guys. After this beautiful conversation, I ended my vlog. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a beautiful comment on my channel. You can also follow me on my Insta handle Sugarbandi. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye bye.